Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing February's Culture Carton. If you're not familiar with Culture Carton, it's a monthly men's book/lifestyle subscription box. Each month they send you an essential book for men, as well as some lifestyle items, always with a theme. So this is the standard box, which is $45 plus shipping and handling. I do have a code, TREE, all caps, that'll give you 20% off your first box. But additionally, they do have the essential box, which is just the lifestyle items for $35 plus shipping, or just the book for $16, no shipping. I don't know what's in here. We're going to find out together. These are always amazing. Look, I know it's a men's box, but I love it. I really enjoy this. My husband always takes, he travels for work, and he'll always be like, what book did you get? And he'll take it with and read it, if he hasn't read it already. So there is that. It's a really cool, and the life, even unless it's ties, I can use those lifestyle. Alright, so this is Culture Carton's February. This is the pocket notebook box, and then they always put the items down here. We're not going to peek yet, and with the retail value. So that's interesting to see what you're getting for what you're paying. And I like that about, there's transparency there. So we have Apprentice Dot Grid notebooks from Baron Fig. I've never heard of this company, but these look really nice. Look at they're gray. This is just a cardboard. They're gray, almost like that not suede, but that fiberboard. I can't think of the name. But anyway, something in here smells really good. Oh, I see what it is. All right, so it says, ideas are like the wind. Sometimes they come flying in and out of nowhere. Other times they softly float in, barely perceptible. This book is your idea windmill, ready to catch the winds of inspiration and put them to use. So there are 3 in here. They're bound with yellow string. I don't know if that's going to show up on camera, but that's pretty cool. All right, so there's that. And then once we're done taking everything out, we'll look at the prices. So this is what I'm smelling. It's leather. What is it though? Is it for, what is it for? Blackthorn leather, handmade in California. This is gorgeous. I don't know what it's not a wallet. It's too big to be a wallet, right? Maybe you put your phone in it. We're going to find out, but I love it. It smells amazing. The leather is gorgeous. It's like a matte, and then it does say Blackthorn. Maybe you put your notebook in here. It's a notebook cover, or a book cover. That's it. I figured it out. Duh, it's a notebook. All right, so then we have, this is cool, Palomino Black Wings. These are the 602 pencils. Look at these. Half the pressure, twice the speed. Look at these cool pencils. Holy guacamole. Aren't they neat? Look at that. Look at the erasers. It looks like a paintbrush. See the ferrule? Has this pressed. Nerd moment. I just think those are super cool. So you have your cool notebooks. You how cool can you be? I don't think you're allowed to be that cool. I don't know. All right, there is a third one too. It snuck down here on the side. See that? 3 of them. These are really nice. All right. All right, on to our book. Oh, it's a John Steinbeck. What is this? Of Mice and Men. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. I have read Of Mice and Men. This is sad. Has anybody out there read Of Mice and Men? This is so sad. But this has those really nice pages. Oh my goodness. This book is so sad. I'm thinking I'm recalling. There is a movie too, though, I think. I don't think I've seen that. This is the Centennial Edition, but it has those sort of rough page edges, which is really cool. And then there's a picture of him on the back. Oh, let me know down below. I'm curious to see who out there has read Of Mice and Men. Your thoughts on the book, your thoughts on, if you've maybe seen the movie, the idea, the premise of the concept there. So this, recommended for discussion. See that? It says right. So let me know if you're interested in my full review. I'll put that down below. I'll link to it, I'll also link to Culture Carton so you can, oh no, we wanted to look at the prices. That's right. All right, so the book is $16. The Blackthorn leather notebook cover, I was right, is $50. This is gorgeous. This is stunning. We get so many nice leather goods in this box. I've gotten 5, and I love every single one of them. I would never give them to any of the men in my life. I'll keep them for me. So then the Baron Fig Vanguard pocket notebooks are $9. The Blackwing pencils are $6. We have a total value of $81 in this box, which is amazing. So if you're interested in the full review, I'll link to that. I'll also link to Culture Carton. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.